crossed
Spain.
We are in Portugal. There you go. This is Portugal. Anyone thinking we'll get stamps everywhere? In every European country we go, that is wrong. Once you come here, it's done. No stamps after the first country you cross. Stamps चाहिए था तुम लोग को. Stamp ही नहीं लगाया.
इसलिए तो वो लिया.
क्या लिया?
पासपोर्ट पे मैग्नेट लगा.
समर्थ, तूने कभी बड़े लोगों को वॉच पहन के चार्ज करना देखा है? हाँ, ये देखो. वॉच पहन लिया और उसके साथ चार्ज भी करवा ले. So hi, welcome to Portugal. We are here in Portugal, but we are in the north of Portugal, which is Porto, and that is one of the famous bridges of Portugal, or the Porto, and that is on the top. What you see over there is the mansion. It used to be a mansion, now it is not. It is just a tourist spot. This is the main river of Porto, where most of the trade used to happen back in 18th century. So when you are in Porto, if you want to take old paper article where your photo comes up, you can come here, take the picture. You do have to pay over here, but it's upon you. You can do it as a donation. You don't have to pay certain amount. So this is Porto Calmen. This is one of the old and famous wine ports in Porto. Calme, it is one of the oldest wine shops or the wine manufacturers in Porto or in Portugal. They have won a lot of awards and being the best wine across the world. And we were late. It was open until 7, so we were here at 6:40. Hence we couldn't get the tickets, but it is worth a visit if you are coming to Porto for a day trip. So that river is actually Douro River, and this bridge was actually built back in 1880s. This bridge is called as Lewis High Bridge. It was supposed to be called as Lewis D Bridge because of the king's name was Douro, and as he didn't attend the ceremony of, or the opening ceremony of this bridge, they took off his name as D and they have put it as I, and there's a long history for this one. They also have trains which goes on the top. When you are in Porto, there are a total of 6 bridges which are old and famous. You can take the cruise from any of the place over there. There are quite a lot of cruise companies on the banks. You can take any one of these, which would cost you around 10-20 euros, and they take you around 6 bridges, which is pretty nice. We didn't go for that too. पता है तेरे को वो क्या होता है?
बोला ना इसने.
एक और बार बोल.
कब
ಸಮರ್ಥ ಕಬ್ನಾಲ್ ಕುಡಿತೀಯನ?
मेरे को लगा अंदर एडेड शुगर है, पर फिर याद आया कि
कैसे है?
कब ऐसा है? कब है? कब है? कब है ना?
हाँ, कब है? अभिषेक, हमने क्या पिया?
कब बिना हालू.
यूके ಇಂದ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗಲ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಕಬ್ನಾಲ್ ಕುಡ್ಸಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ. So we are taking this train to San Olividio. So if you come on this bridge, you will get this view.
And we are drinking free tea.
He got a free tea. We all got a free tea. He took a picture with the girl and he's blaming me for that.
I'm not blaming you.
No one gives anything for free. There is something behind this.
Marketing.
As if you're gonna go and drink again.
Now because of the girl, I would remember what Fusty is. Obviously, I won't drink it again. go looking for it, but I still remember what safety is.
Just single boys thing. So this is Portugal's Porto. Porto has one of the main harbors in Portugal. The way they have built these places is insane. Look, they have a underground tunnel and they have a whole building on top of that. What's that? So we had this pina colada, which was too good. कैसा है? 15 euros का.
पैसा ज़्यादा है, ठीक है. वो सब डेकोरेशन करके दिया ना, उसका पैसा नहीं आया.
डेकोरेशन का एक्स्ट्रा
नहीं,
पैसा.
लेकिन 15 यूरो हमारे लिए ठीक था क्योंकि उसमें अल्कोहल भी मस्त डाला उसने.
हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए नहीं.
तुम्हारे नहीं, इसलिए सुनो, अल्कोहल पिया करो, पिया करो.